All right, good morning, everybody. I wanted to share with you our Northwood High School athletic website, excuse me, and just kind of go over all the features that this website has. So first, wanted to show you that our website is www.northwoodathletics.net. And once you come to the site, along the bar on the top of the page, we have a number of categories you can click on. We're going into the spring season of 2023. So when you click on spring, you can see all the sports that we offer. And you can also, excuse me again, click on the sport and click on whatever sport you're looking at, whether it's varsity or JV, and you can see schedules. You can see rosters when the coaches put them up, coaches when they put them up. Um, we have a calendar on here for the month, could be the week or even the day. So if I'm going to click the month, I can see February, all the events that we have. I can also move forward and see in March all the events that we're hosting at Northwood and even the events that are away, as you can see right there. March 6th, we have a few home games. We also have some teams traveling away for events. Also, this is our athletic registration. Most of you have already gone through this, but this is a tab where you can find the latest up to date information. And there's also a great video right here that shows you and your child how to set up your accounts and link them together to do the athletic registration. And this must be done yearly. Forms must be updated yearly. Physicals must be updated 395 days, and everything's online now. The only piece that you as parents and student athletes have to do is take a picture of your physical and upload it to your account. If you would like to purchase tickets online, here's our GoFan page where you can buy sports passes. And if I was a parent, I might look into buying the midseason adult or sport pass just to get in all the games. It is $7 for each game. So based on how many family members you have, if you have children 5 and older, they are charged to come to our events. School age children are charged. So if you are a family of 5 and you're coming to 10 baseball games this year, I'm not very good at math, but I think it would benefit you to buy a mid-season sports pass, or if you're just an adult coming, you might want to look into that as well. We also have student passes available. If you're a student, mid-season sports pass is $25. Again, $7 to get in each game. So you come into 4 games and you're basically getting your money's worth. Um, Also on this website, we have a spirit shop through M Square Graphics, which is a local business here in Pittsburgh. You can click on these types of shirts and apparel, and you can customize it. There's some different logos that you can add to it. We have some, headwear as well. So a lot of items you can purchase to get your spirit wear for the spring season. And then over here on more, we have a number of things. We have information currently on our camps and clinics. We have our live stream. This will only work for the games that are on the main field, which is boys lacrosse and girls lacrosse. If you have family members that want to watch the games, grandma, grandpa in Florida or grandma, grandpa in, I don't know, in Indiana, they can watch the games from there. Um, Also, over here, we have information regarding the NCAA clearinghouse. So, if you have a child who is looking to get a Division II or Division I scholarship, they need to register with the NCAA clearinghouse. This site provides all that information, and you can see questions, and you can also see the registration checklist. And there is information to click on the eligibility site, the clearinghouse site, excuse me, and you can register there. We also have the Division One academic requirements. I know a lot of our student athletes want to be Division One, and I know a lot of that's the ultimate goal. But here's some great information that provides the academic requirements. Remember, with student athletes, student comes first before the athlete. So our student athletes need to take care of what they're doing in the classroom in order to be considered for a Division One scholarship. We also have the Division Two requirements because those also offer athletic scholarships, and here are the academic requirements for Division Two. Also, I've heard from a number of parents we want to purchase Letterman jackets. Where do we get them? Well, here's the Letterman jacket website. Here's the Northwood High School letter jackets. There's a picture of them right there. I have nothing to do with this, so I apologize. But Jostens is a company that you can purchase your letter jackets from. There's two styles, as you can see right here. They are quite pricey, so I know some of you might want to purchase this for your student athlete as a graduation gift, or if they're a freshman, you just want to get it for them to wear the next 3 years of high school. But this is the site where you would purchase it from. Also, we have Chatham County Athletic Documents. This is a great site for parents to go through and look at the athletic handbook. We also have the participation packet. We also have the North Carolina High School handbook that's all uploaded on this site. This is a great site to come from click on when you're trying to find academic eligibility requirements to participate in sports. If you have any questions, this might be a good site to go to before you reach out to your coaches, your athletic directors. And so that's really about it that I wanted to cover. But I just wanted to show you all this website is really good and it provides a lot of information. And the biggest thing that I can encourage you all to do as parents is to sign up for the Get Alerts. Um, on this website, you can create a login and a username, and you can register for updates. I already have an account, so that's why it's not working for me. But if I'm to log out here and I'm to join, parents, if you would join this website and just put all your information down, you're also going to have to put in all the sports that your child's playing. But by creating an account, this is a great way to receive text messages, to receive emails. And the spring season is absolutely crazy. We have 8 sports going on right now. And not only is it crazy because we're busy, but the weather. Mother Nature never seems to fully cooperate with us. So we're going to have reschedules, we're going to have cancellations. And as soon as those happen, I will send out an alert through this website when I make the changes in Schedule Star. This is the site that builds all of our athletic schedules. So when I go in and change a game, you should get an email and a text message if you create an account on this site. So if my kid played softball, I would click, I'm a parent, I'm a softball player, the game gets canceled tomorrow because of rain. When I go in and change the date, I'm going to get a text message that the game has been moved to Thursday at 6 o'clock. Okay, so this is a really good tool, and I would encourage all of you to sign up for it. Yeah, that's about it. The last thing I'd like to show you is no, I'm just going to leave it here. Sorry. All right. So looking forward to seeing all of you at the parent meeting. And this is just a little tutorial on the Northwood Athletics website and how to create an account and all the features that it has to offer for us. Thanks for taking the time to watch. And please contact me if you have any questions. Thank you.